Hi guys, this is Ahmed from FKP Institute of AI. So this is our first class in chapter number 2. In the last class we have seen how to set up work environment to work on Snowflake. So in this class we are going to see Snowflake offerings for different types of organizations. Basically, Snowflake offers 4 kinds of editions. So the first one is Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, Business Critical Edition, and Virtual Private Snowflake Edition. Let's see how these 4 are different each other. The first one is Standard Edition. So this is introductory offering from Snowflake. It has all the facilities, all the features, whatever is required for cloud data warehouse. So apart from the following 5 special features, what are those 5? The first one is time travel is limited to 1 day, and periodic rekeying encryption of data is not available, and masking policy is not available, and row access policy feature is not available, and object tagging, this feature also not available with Standard Edition. So you might be confused with these terms. What is time travel, periodic rekeying encryption, masking policy, row access policy, and object tagging? So to understand these clearly, you may need to wait, or you may need to go forward on the Snowflake syllabus for a few more days, or you can say for a few more chapters we have to cover to have a great understanding on these features. But I don't want you to put in a question mark. So till we go to those concepts, I want to give overview of these features. The first one is time travel edition. Think that we have a table. There is a change happened yesterday, and I want to see the table before the change, or I want to see the snapshot of 10 days ago. How was my table? I cannot see that because it was 10 days ago change. In case of Standard Edition, we can see just 1 day ago snapshot of the table, whereas in Enterprise Edition we can see the snapshot of last 90 days. That is called time travel feature. We can go and see the snapshot of a particular time or particular date in the past, of the past. And the second one is periodic rekeying encryption. This feature, what it does, it performs encryption periodically on the data. This helps for increased protection of the data. And the third one is masking policy. This feature helps us to mask column level data. So if I apply this masking policy on certain column, only few people who are having certain roles, they can see the actual data. Others will see some asterisk marks, or it can be hashed value, something like that. And row access policy, if I apply this feature on a table, people with certain roles, they cannot get certain rows in their query result. Some results will be stopped, some records will be stopped. Suppose example, think that I am belongs to sales manager of New York City of a particular organization. So if the table has all the city's data, whenever I am querying that particular table, I can see only the sales happened in New York. I cannot see sales of other cities. And the fifth one is object tracking. So this feature is also not available with the Standard Edition. The main intention of this feature is, if I apply this object tagging, what happens, this feature helps us to track Snowflake objects wherever we have sensitive data. Okay, then Enterprise Edition. It has all the features whatever we have in Standard Edition plus above 5 features. Okay, this Enterprise Edition mainly intended for large scale enterprises. And the third one is Business Critical Edition, or people call it as ESD, Enterprise for Sensitive Data, Enterprise Edition for Sensitive Data. So what is this? So to support the needs of organization with which generally have extremely sensitive data. Example, taxation companies or financial institutions, or we have CBIL. So the companies which have more extremely sensitive data, though for those kind of organizations, Snowflake offering this Snowflake Edition. So sometimes to place a segment of data into the Snowflake, the people may need agreement, business associates agreement to place this data on Snowflake. So meaning like these organizations are very much data sensitive. So to move data from one place to another place, so we need an agreement from the corresponding business associate. And the fourth one is Virtual Private Snowflake Edition. So it has all the features of Business Critical Edition as well as the infrastructure wise. Okay, the infrastructure wise, it is also same, basically like it is also shares the public cloud, but the Snowflake environment is completely isolated, meaning from the VPS Snowflake accounts, there is no way to share the data with other Snowflake accounts. Okay, so these accounts are completely isolated from other Snowflake accounts. There is no transfer, direct transfer between this Snowflake account to other Snowflake accounts. Okay, so that's all for this class. So we will see in the next class about Snowflake high level architecture. Thank you for watching this video and see you. Thank you.